I do want to share that when you are swatching, whether it's how I'm getting ready to swatch in a book or anything, I do recommend most definitely spending that little extra to get a blunt syringe or even a shader nib. You can get just a shader nib and a holder together. There is a set by Deleter, even on Amazon. That's where I got mine. You can look up comic book lining, comic book inking pens, and these will come up. This is a Kakimori, so it's a little bit more than what these would be, but you can just get a collection of nibs, get the largest one, doesn't have to be fancy schmancy, and put it in a holder and use that. That way you're not caking your hands because you're using a Q-tip to do the swatching. You're going to get the same results whether you're using a Q-tip or a B1 shader.